Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to add the Affiliate Center app inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, if you don't already have ClickFunnels, make sure you go down to the description section to sign up for ClickFunnels today. And also, there's some really awesome resources as well inside the description section. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the left-hand side under apps, and we're going to click on add apps. And then we're going to scroll down here to the affiliate center. So this is where you can manage affiliates and track their performance. And then we're going to click on add app. And then right here, this is where we're able to establish a new commission plan. So we're going to add a name. So we'll call it test commission plan. And then we can also select a color as well. So we'll do this, how about this nice orange color right here? Actually, we'll do blue. And then right here, the default, if enabled, all new affiliates will automatically be assigned this commission plan. So you could either toggle it on or off, and then we'll click create. And then you're going to notice that the Affiliate Center app is appearing on the left-hand side under your apps. And what we'll do is we're going to dive into each specific part of the Affiliate Center later. So that's how you add the Affiliate Center app inside ClickFunnels 2.0. If you have any questions about it, feel free to comment below, and love to help you out.